Meet the Choc mate2. After more than 2 years of development, an initial idea has evolved into something exceptional. Driven by the vision of taking chocolate manufacturing one step further, we managed to simplify the process of printing artisanal chocolate so anyone can do it. Food printing does not have to be difficult. Our first generation printer was bestowed with the German Federal Award for Innovatory Achievements in the Craft Trades. With the new generation, our goal continues to be to offer the best food printing solution available, designed, engineered, and made in Germany. We truly believe three-dimensional printing is the technology of the future. Yet the options for printing delicious food remain underexplored. With the Choc mate2, you can create high-quality chocolate to be used in catering, hotels, marketing, fine dining, or even art. You can create beautiful personalized gifts for anniversaries or weddings. The possibilities for your creation and artistry are endless. You can print pictograms, logos, texts, cake toppers, or just about anything else. It is also possible to customize your bars of chocolate with a precision that just can't be done by hand. In all of this, the Choc mate2 offers outstanding quality without compromise. Until now, chocolate printing has been limited to the use of compound chocolate. But by using the Choc mate2, printing any high-quality chocolate becomes as easy as turning on the printer, inserting the chocolate, adding your unique chocolate shape, and pressing print.
Hey, I'm Benedikt, the founder of Chocolate Hoch 3. I'm a pastry chef who fell in love with chocolate but is also passionate about technology. That's why I put all my energy into developing, building and improving the Choc mate2. This second generation of our chocolate 3D printer has simplified the whole process of designing and printing unique chocolate, making it accessible to everyone. It is my ambition to have a perfection and durability with customization in mind. Back us on Kickstarter to join the chocolate revolution and start shaping the future of chocolate.